Porcelain's a great tile to use, but a lot of times when you pick a porcelain tile, it doesn't come with any tile moldings. And so you have to figure out how to finish the edges. And I want to show you a way that I think is a very clean look, very professional look, and I think it works quite well. So as you can see here, the tile comes up and we had to have either a molding, which we don't have, or we can use the countertop as jambs and a header, and also on the curb. We did the same thing in the niche. We ran the countertop material fully around it, giving it a very clean framed look, and then also in the seat, in the bench. It's a beautiful way to do it. We also used a penny round, which gave us a different pattern on the floor, which gave a pop to the design. And we did it again in the back wall of the niche. The details in finishing tile work is so important, and many times it's left out or it's done with a schluter, which is just a metal strip, which to me is wrong. It's not very creative. It looks like a shortcut, and I'm going to talk to you about how I like to finish a tile. As you can see here, this particular tile, it's a picket tile. We have it running vertically, but when we come to the edge, we have to finish it with something. And this particular line had a pencil tile, which I could use a pencil tile. So I did. I used a pencil tile here, and then in the niche, again, we use the pencil tile because you can also use a curb tile, which in a curb tile is about as wide as the tile you're using. Sometimes it's not, but it runs about like this and it has this end on it. It didn't have a curb tile, so you can use a pencil tile. As you can see, we did it in the octagonal window and also the niche. And then I just want to point out how we finished the floor of the shower. We used a penny round, which just gave a little contrast and some interest. Again, we repeated that in the back of the niche. And then for the threshold, I used some of my countertop material, which blended quite nicely. And it's just a very clean look, a clean way to add the track for the shower door. And the shower ended up, every little detail was thought about, and that's how a tile job should be completed.